How's it going, everyone? I can't believe that the first week of February is almost over, but still I'm very enthusiastic and I can't wait to teach you the two-dimensional array concept in Python today. Let's get down to the bottom by reading this question. Write a program which takes two digits, x, y, as input and generates two-dimensional array. The element value in the ith row and jth column of the array should be the value of the multiplication of I and j. Note that I is 0 to the x minus 1, j is 0 to the y minus 1, so if the following inputs are given to 3, 6 as to this program, the output of the program should be as following. So as you see, there are 3 rows, as you see here, and there are 6 column values, and each value is defined by the index multiplication of I and j. Hence is that it should be the comma separated form. Okay, so let's get started. I'll definitely build this function named two-dimensional 2dim array or something like that. 2dim array, okay? So first we need to take the user input as an x and y, as you see, okay? So let's say user input equals, I'd say x equals, it doesn't matter, but like int input, enter your preferable row value, something like that. How does it sound? And then for the y, int input, enter your preferable column value. That's how you do it, right? And then after that, you wanna. So let's think about how many like sort of the loops that we want. At least we need to loop through the 3 times, which is the value of the row. So we definitely want to loop through for I range number x. But every time we loop through the number of rows here, we want to generate an empty list, a new list, and then we store like new multiplication value of I and j here. So that's the thing here. I want to say row equal empty list, and I want to loop through the number of the column items here. In this case, going to be like y. So for j and y, I want to append the I and j, the multiplication value, like this. And after that, I would say final result list. In here, every time I finished off the appending the each or calculating each individual value inside this row list, I want to append it to basically in the final list. So I will say final dot append row or something, if you understand it. And after that, I want to return final and see what's going on here. Print to dim array. So what I want to do is calling this function. So it's gonna prompt me to enter x or y value, x and y values, and it's gonna calculate the following. So what I'm saying is, I'm sorry, I need a print to dim array, return final. I forgot writing the parentheses here, which is a very important thing. So enter your preferred row value. Let me see. I want to write, okay, 3. How about 6 column value? And this is sort of the result that we're expecting here. Let's try different things. To dim array. Let me call this function one more time and try different values so that we're on the right track. Row value. How about let's say I want 5 row values. A column, I want like only 3 columns. And see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, but each. I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, but for each column, it has just only 3 column values. And these values are a multiplication of its individual index. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel. I promise that I will keep posting these useful Python basic tutorials for you to understand and grasp and how to play with this Python. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.